Imagine waking up tomorrow, and every password you've ever created is gone. Your bank account? Drained. Your phone? Cloned. Your camera? Watching you while you sleep. Scary? That's not the future. That's happening now. Hey, welcome to the FutureSync Tech. In this video, I'm revealing the Cybersecurity Roadmap 2025 that will arm you with everything you need to stay safe in a world that is digitally on fire. Whether you're a 15-year-old student or a 70-year-old retiree, whether you run a business or just browse Facebook, if you're online, you're a target. Cybercriminals don't discriminate. They automate. This roadmap isn't about boring checklists. It's a step-by-step survival guide in a world where deepfakes can clone your face in minutes. Voice AI can trick your parents into sending money. And your smart fridge might be leaking your Wi-Fi password. If you want to protect your identity, your money, and your family, stick around until the end. Because Stage 5? It's where 99% of people fail. And failing at Stage 5? Could cost you everything. Cold open story, reality check. Let me share a true story that shook the cybersecurity world. A 17-year-old kid in Arizona got a call. It was his bank. They told him someone had cloned his debit card. They needed to verify some details. The voice on the line knew everything. His full name, his birthday, even the last 4 digits of his card. He panicked. Gave them the rest. 10 minutes later, $3,800 gone. The twist? It wasn't his bank. It was a deepfake AI voice, trained using leaked data and voice samples pulled from his TikTok videos. He wasn't hacked. He was socially engineered. And here's the scariest part, this wasn't some elite cybercriminal. This was a plug-and-play AI scam kit, bought for $39.99 on the dark web. That's where we are today. In the past, hackers needed skills. Now, they just need Wi-Fi and an AI script. You might think you're safe. But if you use the same password more than once, share your birthday on social media, accept random friend requests, then you're leaving your front door wide open. And the worst part? You won't know until it's too late. Stage 1, the minimum shield, basic cyber hygiene. Think of this as your digital toothbrush and soap. Basic cyber hygiene is what 90% of people ignore, and that's exactly why attackers love it. Let's get real, your digital life is only as strong as your weakest habit. Here are 5 things you should do today to build your minimum shield. 1. Use a password manager. Stop memorizing passwords. Use Bitwarden or 1Password to generate and store strong, unique ones. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on every account. Avoid SMS-based 2FA. Use an app like Authy or Microsoft Authenticator. 3. Update your software, all of it. That includes your phone, laptop, browser, and yes, even your router. 4. Ditch public Wi-Fi unless you're using a trusted VPN. Those free connections in coffee shops? They're cyber trap zones. 5. Audit your accounts. Delete old accounts you no longer use. Each one is a possible entry point. Still using your dog's name and birth year as a password? That's like using duct tape to lock your front door. This stuff might feel boring, but it's the digital equivalent of wearing a seatbelt. You've brushed your digital teeth. Now, let's upgrade your brain. Stage 2, the mindset shift, think like a hacker. If you want to stop getting tricked, you need to understand how the trick works. Welcome to Stage 2, the hacker's mindset. Ask yourself, if you were a hacker, how would you break into your life? Could someone guess your email from your Instagram handle? Could they find your password reset questions from your Facebook posts? If your phone got stolen, Could someone access your cloud, your photos, your bank? This is what hackers do. They don't break in like in the movies. They follow your breadcrumbs. So here's how to confuse, mislead, and lose them. Use fake answers to security questions. First pet. Answer, LaserRaptor86. Create email layers. One email for banking, one for shopping, one for junk. Never reuse passwords. Ever. Avoid oversharing. The more you post about your dog, school, or birthday, the easier you are to map. If your life story is on Instagram, you've basically published your own hacking guide. Your brain is sharp now. Let's give it a shield. Stage 3, the tactical stack, tools that protect you. This is where the fun starts. Here's your 2025 cybersecurity loadout, tools that will actually protect your identity, your accounts, and your peace of mind. Passwords. Use Bitwarden or 1Password. Set a 20+ character master password. Enable biometric access. Authentication. Use Authy or Duo instead of SMS. Go next level with YubiKey, a physical key for your accounts. Emails. ProtonMail or Tutanota for secure communication. Use aliases to mask your real email. VPN. Mullvad or ProtonVPN, avoid free ones, always. Mobile security. Install tracker control to block app spying. Use Graphene OS if you're hardcore. Browser. Brave with uBlock Origin and HTTPS everywhere. Free apps that track you. That's like letting a stranger live in your basement because they brought their own snacks. Okay, you're geared up. But what if the walls still get breached? Let's talk damage control. Stage 4, breach mode, when you get hacked. Let's be honest, even with all the tools, bad things can still happen. That's why Stage 4 is all about breach response. If your account gets hacked or your device is compromised, here's the 7-step playbook. 1. Go offline immediately. Turn off Wi-Fi and disconnect the device. 2. Change your passwords from a clean device. Use your password manager. 3. Scan for malware using Malwarebytes or Norton Power Eraser. 4. Check your accounts for new devices or suspicious logins. 5. Freeze your credit with the 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. 6. Notify your bank if money is missing. 7. Report the breach to the FTC and affected platforms. Getting hacked and not acting is like seeing smoke and waiting for the fire alarm to explain itself. Pro tip: keep a breach response checklist printed somewhere safe. When panic hits, paper helps. If you survived a breach, congrats. But now it's time to become future-proof. Let's go to Stage 5. Stage 5. The future-proof human, lifestyle cybersecurity. You're no longer a beginner. Now you become digitally bulletproof. Stage 5 is a lifestyle. It's how you operate every day. Here's how future-proof humans think. They teach their kids about phishing before they get a phone. They practice digital minimalism, fewer apps, fewer risks. They audit their digital footprint every 6 months. They live with the assumption that every device can be hacked. They also use burner cards, privacy.com, for online shopping. Don't save passwords in browsers. Use hardware wallets for crypto. Keep personal info off WHOS, social bios, and resume PDFs. Digital hygiene isn't a trend. It's the new adulthood. Wrap up, congratulations. You now have the roadmap. What you do with it next? That's your firewall. Closing. You don't need a degree in cybersecurity. You just need to stay one step ahead. Because the truth is, we're not just protecting devices. We're protecting trust. Our identities. our money, our families. Here's what to do now. Share this video with someone still using password 123. Subscribe, we're diving deeper into AI scams, home device hacks, and next-gen data protection. We are building a future where people stay informed, protected, and in control of their digital lives. Stay curious. Stay alert. And remember, cybersecurity isn't just for experts anymore, it's for everyone.